Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we want to find the value of a and b from this given nice math algebra problem. A plus b is equal to 3. Then ab is equal to 30. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let us begin. Here we have a plus b is equal to 3. Let us call this equation 1. And then AB is equal to 30. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, A plus B is equal to 3. Now let us make B the subject of the formula. B is equal to 3 minus A. Let us call this equation 3. Also from equation 2, AB is equal to 30. Let us substitute for this B, which is 3 minus A. Then A bracket 3 minus A is equal to 30. Let us open the bracket. A multiplied by 3, that is 3A minus A multiplied by A square is equal to 30. Let us bring this 30 to this side. Then this is 3A minus A square minus 30 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Then we have we have 3A divided by minus 1, then minus A square divided by minus 1, minus 30 divided by minus 1 is equal to 0 divided by minus 1. Then the whole of this can be written as minus 3A plus A square plus 30 is equal to 0. Let us put this in standard form. This is A square minus 3A plus 30 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And our quadratic general formula is given as A is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A. Then from this equation, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 3, C is equal to 30. A is equal to minus bracket minus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 3 all square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 30. Everything all over 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to minus multiplied by minus 3. This is 3 plus or minus square root of minus 3 squared. This is 9 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 30. That is 120 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. A is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 120. That is minus 111 over 2. But square root of minus 1 is equal to I, and the whole of this can be written as A is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 111 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. A is equal to 3 plus or minus I square root of 111 over 2. Therefore, A1 is equal to 3 plus I square root of 111 over 2, or A2 is equal to 3 minus I square root of 111 over 2. These are the values of A. Now we've gotten the values of A. Let us solve for B. To solve for B, from equation 3, B is equal to 3 minus A. B1 is equal to 3 minus A1 is 3 plus I square root of 111 over 2. Our B2 is equal to 3 minus I square root of 111 over 2. Then from here, this is over 1, the LCM is 2. 1 into 2 times 3, 6. B1 is equal to 6 minus 3 plus I square root of 111 all over 2. B1 is equal to 6 minus 3 minus I square root of 111 all over 2. B1 is equal to 6 minus 3. This is 3 minus I square root of 111 over 2. This is the value of B1. Then also B2 is equal to, this is 6 minus 3 minus I square root of 111 all over 2. B2 is equal to 6 minus 3 plus I square root of 111 all over 2. B2 is equal to 6 minus 3. This is 3 plus I square root of 111 all over 2. This is the value of B2. Therefore, our final answer are A1, B1 is equal to 3 plus I square root of 111 over 2, 3 minus I square root of 111 over 2. Then A2, B2, this is equal to 3 minus I square root of 111 over 2, 3 plus I square root of 111 over 2. These are the final answer. Here you can see that the value of A1 here is equal to the value of B2 here, and the value of B1 here is equal to the value of A2 here. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. A plus B is equal to 3. AB is equal to 30. Let us consider this. A plus B, this is 3 plus I root 111 over 2 plus 3 minus I square root of 111 over 2 must be equal to 3. The LCM here is 2. Then we have 3 plus I square root of 111 plus 3 minus I square root of 111 all over 2 must be equal to 3. This cancel this. Then we have 3 plus 3, that is 6. 6 over 2 must be equal to 3. 2 here 1, 2 here 3. Therefore, the left hand side, 3 is equal to the right hand side, 3, which is true. Let us consider this. AB, this is 3 plus I square root of 111 over 2 multiplied by 3 minus I square root of 111 over 2 must be equal to 30. 3 times 3, this is 9, minus 3 times I root 111, this is 3I square root of 111. Then I root 111 multiplied by 3, this is plus 3I square root of 111. Then I root 111 multiplied by minus I root 111, this is minus I square multiplied by 11 must be equal to 30. This cancel this. We have 9 minus I square multiplied by 111 must be equal to 30. Now I square is equal to minus 1. This is 9 minus bracket minus 1 multiplied by 111 must be equal to 30. But here we have 2 multiplied by 2. This is over 4. Then this is 9 minus times minus 1, that is plus 1, times 111, that is plus 111 over 4 must be equal to 30. 9 plus 111, that is 120 over 4 must be equal to 30. 4 here 1, 4 here 30. Therefore, the left hand side 30 is equal to the right hand side 30, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.